Hello, Crystal Coast and Eastern North Carolina. Thank you for joining me. This is Beach Bum Thursday, January 30th, 2025, and we're going to take a look at what the coming up day show for the weather in store for us. So, first, taking a look at what the models show today. For the next 7 days for North Carolina, we are seeing rain from the GFS, CMC, Icon, and the Euro. So let's go ahead and jump to the models, and the first model we're going to jump to is our air temp model. This is a GFS, and we're going to definitely, in the next 7 days on this, keep mild temperatures around North Carolina, Eastern North Carolina, even Western North Carolina for the most part. So let's run this through for the next 7 days. And we see here tomorrow, January 31st, we're looking at 71 down here for Carolinas from central to eastern, somewhere in that range. So yeah, we're definitely seeing some mild temps. If you notice, the blue just stays north of us and west of us. Temperatures are looking great for the Carolinas, including you down there in South Carolina. And there is the 7-day run. And we are keeping really nice temperatures here. Even at nighttime, we're not getting near freezing. So that is a great big plus. Now on to the precipitation models. And here we are starting out today. Let's run it through. Now, I will say the models are a little bit different on timing. The GFS is showing this rain system coming in to the Carolinas. You see Western Carolina early Saturday morning, coming on into Central and Eastern, and then moving on out. Some of the other, like our future cast radar from NOAA, actually shows this rain coming in Friday night and being out of here Saturday. So, and I think some other models show that, but we'll get into that as we move through. Go ahead and do the 7-day run here. As you can see, after that rain moves out Saturday afternoon, according to this model, we have been clear. There's a little bit of rain near Western North Carolina, but it kind of breaks up as it comes in. Here we have some rain down in southern central North Carolina at the border for South Carolina on Wednesday, February 5th. Some rain Wednesday, February 5th around the Wilmington area up until up to Onslow County, I would say. But it looks like just a passing shower. And then Thursday, as the 7 day is at the end, I know you can see I can go out a lot further here. I do not do that because it's hard enough to predict the weather 1 day, 2 days out, much less anything past 7 days. It's a guess. It's all a guess anyway. But yeah, there we go. There's the end of the GFS at the 7-day run. Here is the CMC. Starting out Thursday, January 30th. There is Friday. We see the rain starting to approach Western North Carolina. Coming in early Saturday morning. And as you see, it's, according to this model, and with the GFS, most of the day Saturday. I really hope that's not right. Because with the nice temperatures we got, I know a lot of people would like to do some outdoor stuff after being stuck inside from that snowstorm we just had. Alright, so let's finish running this out. And according to this model on the 7-day, we have some rain coming into North Carolina from the northwest. I'm not going to run it out any further. That's where we stop. And so next couple of days, we'll see where this rain goes. From there, we move to the Icon model. Rain coming in to western North Carolina Friday evening. Here is early Saturday morning. Rain's moved off by Saturday afternoon. And there's early Sunday morning. I'm really hoping these models just have the timing wrong for the weekend. I don't want to see the rain. We've had enough wetness around here, really. So let's move these models on out. And as we can see, after that rainstorm, this is lining up with the CMC as far as we're going to be pretty clear in North Carolina for the next 7 days. And then right at the end of the run, we have that same rain system coming in. So the CMC and the Icon so far are pretty good on after this rain system Friday, Saturday. We're going to be good and clear. The GFS does show some spotty showers here and there. Let's check out the Euro. And let's run it through. Now the Euro only does a 6-day run. Everything else I run 7. And here's the rain coming in Friday. Here's early Saturday morning. Moving through eastern North Carolina. And that moves out pretty early Saturday. So giving enough time to still do things Saturday for the people that are just tired of being stuck from the cold weather and the snow. And as we move through, we are seeing things are looking pretty good. So far, here's the 6th day on the Euro. So far, we are seeing clear skies after Saturday for the CMC, Icon, and Euro. The GFS does show some spotty showers between central North Carolina and southeastern North Carolina. So just wait and see, and let's see what happens there. So getting on to our local weather here in eastern North Carolina. Here's our current Zoom Earth live radar at 3:02 p.m. And as you can see all across eastern North Carolina, it is clear skies and no rain. Mild temperature. If you don't have to be inside, don't be. Taking a look at the temperatures out there right now. New Bern, you're at 61. Rocky Mount at 59. Greenville 59. Jacksonville 59. Around the Crystal Coast is 59 degrees. Wilmington, you are at 59. And up by Elizabeth City area, you're at 53. And the feels like is like the temperatures say they are. Around 61 in New Bern, and it feels like around 50, 69, 59 in the Crystal Coast, 59 down in Wilmington, and up around Elizabeth City, 54. The current winds right now are out the southeast at between 7 and 9 miles an hour, depending on where you are. Up in Elizabeth City, as you can see, it is 9 miles an hour. New Bern, around 7. Same for the Crystal Coast. Jacksonville 7, Wilmington 7, Greenville 7. And we are seeing wind gusts out there at times of, around 7 to 10 miles an hour. Nothing big. It's just a nice, small breeze day out here on the Crystal Coast. Looking ahead here at our future NOAA forecast radar. We're going to start off this for the weather at 4 p.m. today. And as you see, clear skies. And we're going to run 7 p.m. tonight, 10 p.m. tonight. A little bit of rain coming into Roanoke Rapids area. 1 a.m., 4 a.m. Elizabeth City, you may start seeing some rain around between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. 7 a.m. Friday. 10. There's 1 p.m. Friday. Greenville, Kinston, down to Kenansville, up to Williamston. You may be seeing some rain, and south of Elizabeth City. Friday, 4 p.m. And it's just light rain. Now, between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m., we see some heavier rain starts moving in Friday night. From the Crystal Coast, Jacksonville, up to just south of Elizabeth City, Wilmington area, you're still just seeing some light rain. At 10 p.m. Friday night, we are covered in eastern North Carolina in heavy rain. Moving it through, there's 4 a.m., mostly seeing light rain. Elizabeth City still seeing some heavy. Around the Outer Banks, still seeing some heavy rain. 7 a.m. is pretty much moved off the coast. 10 a.m. Saturday, 1 p.m. Saturday. There's 7 p.m. Saturday night, 1 a.m. Saturday night, Sunday morning, 7 a.m. Sunday morning. Move it through, showing a little bit of rain down by Southport at Sunday at 1 p.m. 7 p.m. Sunday, 1 a.m. Sunday night, Monday morning, 7 a.m., 1 p.m. Monday, 7 p.m. Monday night, 1 a.m. Tuesday morning. So as you can see, we are seeing some clear skies for the most part after Saturday. All right, the potential of precipitation today, we got around between 0 and 3% chance of rain across eastern North Carolina, depending on where you are. New Bern is showing a little bit higher of a chance, along with Greenville. Tonight, the chance of rain around 7% to 6% on the Crystal Coast in New Bern. Up towards Williamston, 14% chance up in Elizabeth City, 2% chance in Wilmington. Tomorrow, the chance of rain is during the daytime between 8 and 27% or 35%, depending on where you are. Down to Wilmington, 12, Crystal Coast, 8 to 9, 13 in Wilmington, 24% Elizabeth City, and Roanoke Rapids is at a 35% chance of rain during the day tomorrow. Tomorrow night, pretty much 80% chance of rain throughout eastern North Carolina. Elizabeth City's looking at a 91% chance. Saturday night, we drop back down to almost nothing, only a 10% chance at the highest, depending on where you are in eastern North Carolina. Saturday night, 1% chance, 0% chance. I would say there's going to be no rain Saturday night. Sunday, we have a 4 to 8% chance of rain, depending on where you are. Wilmington a little bit higher, down at 9. Sunday night, we are looking between 3 and 9% chance of rain, depending on where you are. Wilmington 6%, Crystal Coast 8, New Bern 7, Elizabeth City 3. And Monday night, we are looking at really low percent chance of rain again, 0 to about 5, depending on where you are. Wilmington's got a 2% chance of rain. Jacksonville 3, Crystal Coast 3 to 4, New Bern 3, Elizabeth City 0. All right, so with all that said, we do have some rain coming in. Let's really hope this rain follows the Euro model and is pretty much out of here Saturday morning. And we're going to have a nice, mild, sunny weekend for everybody to get out there and enjoy. Until tomorrow, back with another weather update. I hope all of y'all have a great day. This is Beach Bum, and we will talk to y'all later. Have a great evening.